Hey, how are you? I'm good. And you? Same, thank you.
What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič movies here, and let's make a twins effect. So first of all, we need to have a footage recorded, so it's extremely simple. I'm here talking something and then go on the other side and respond. So we have to have these two clips together, and let's just put it into the After Effects. Okay, so let's move it here into the composition.
Hey, how are you? Excellent.
Okay, so we're just gonna split when I talk.
Hey, how are you?
Okay, so that's the first part. Okay, until there. Okay, so we can, what did I do here? It's split on half. So actually you go to effects and call split layer, or you just type Ctrl Shift D and that will split into the another layer. So it's exactly the same as before, just we can now delete the bottom and the top one. So just gonna move that here, move that here. So let me now see.
Hey, how are you? Same, thank you. I'm good. And you? I'm good. And hey, how are you?
So let's go to the audio here, waveform, and even here to waveform, so you can actually hear what's happening inside. So I ask how are you, that's simple, that's enough, and this one answers.
Hey, how are you? I'm good. And you? Same, thank you.
Extremely simple. Let's just put it back here, hold shift, right click, trim to position. Okay, so we don't need any more waveforms. So what do we have now? We have the first one, and if we remove, we have the second one. So we're gonna take the first one and take the box here and just draw like that. And what we are doing here, we're actually making the in between, and even that can use a bit of flex, and it's not gonna be exactly how it's supposed to be. So just for additional, we press here and we check the mask feather just a bit, maybe just 10, maybe 20, just in case it's not okay. So he says something, and you can make yourself talking to yourself. So that's actually it. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. My name is Nejc Filipič, and as always, we'll see you next time. Goodbye.